We have a new order coming up.
Do tell. To Lathe?
Not the most popular haunt. No man's land. You will be traveling through an old portal. The Isle is in the middle of the End of Hope. Turns out those ships weren't lost after all. The shipwreck survivors have been living there for years. No connection to the outside world. Until the portal in question was activated by a mage during an archaeological expedition. Our client.
What's the route?
You will arrive in Dusk Harbor. The city built on the bones of another, lost in time. You need to reach the Mage's Tower in 2 days. It's a tricky track through the forest, but nothing you haven't done before.
I could probably just...
No, the old paranoiac doesn't like unbidden guests. He has installed safeguards. You will have to go on foot if you don't want to get teleported into the ocean.
What's the catch?
There is no catch.
My schedule is packed. Another time, perhaps.